Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Onoja Nathaniel is my name, and in this video I want to show you how you can make $100 trading cryptocurrency every day. Of course, it doesn't matter if you are just learning cryptocurrency, I mean you are a novice, or if you are a sports trader or a futures trader. Follow these things I'm about to share with you and see how you consistently make this money every day. Alright, make sure you watch this video to the end, and if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is one way you can support me into making good videos that will profit you like this. On this channel, I teach you how to make money, especially through cryptocurrencies and various ways you can make money online. So go smash the subscription button. Also give this video a thumbs up. At the end of this video, you would want to drop in the comment section if there is any question or there is still other things you want us to talk about. All right, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into it. So the first thing I do is go to CoinMarketCap. Okay, on CoinMarketCap, what I'm checking out for is the top doing cryptocurrency, which are the gainers or the losers, those who are losing in the market. And where we check for that is under the cryptocurrencies, you will see gainers and losers. You just click on that. You want to change the time frame to 7 days. Sorry, and top 100. Okay, we have top 500 and all, but let's use top 100 so we can get good volume and good ranking. Okay, now we have this token is rated or is numbered 60 by ranking, and this is 25 by ranking. Automatically this tells you that this 25 is more valuable, or or popular, or prospective, as the case may be. Okay, well, however, this is ranked number 25 and this is number 60, so by ranking or by value we put this first before 60. But here these are the top gainers for the past 7 days, and right now we have the render token leading these top gainers. It has done 37.77% in 7 days, you can see, and this is the volume. Right now, what I do when I check here is I go straight into Binance, and here's my Binance. Because I want to trade futures, okay, I go to futures. If you want to buy it on the spot, you can just go to trade here and buy it. All right, now I'm going to search for this, which is the RND. Okay, here we go. Now this is the 15 minutes. You want to check out for 4 hours. Always use 4 hours so that you don't complicate your trades. Remember, this token has been doing well. In fact, it is topping the chart for 7 days gainers. And frankly speaking, if you look at it from the charts, you will understand why it has been the top gainer token. Okay, we have been on a serious up movement from this point. Okay, trying to from this point went as high as here. Now, how am I going to trade this particular token? Always remember to set your resistance and your support level, which is what I am going to do, so that we don't just guess these things here. Okay, this is it. So I'm going to take this off, and at the top I'd like to get this here. Okay, so this will take me a bit forward. Now I am going to short this token as soon as I confirm that there is going to be a fall. Remember, this cryptocurrency has been going up, okay, and I want to make money out of this top gainer by shorting it, by selling it. Okay, this is not a call to buy, especially for those who do not trade futures. Okay, this is for futures trader. We are shorting this particular crypto token as soon as we confirm the downtrend or the retracement, because there has been a bullish move for 7 days. It has been going up. Okay, we can say this currency has been going up for 7 days, and there should be a retracement. Okay, last night I actually traded a short from here. Okay, and now we are testing this, support level. This is what I will do next. Just try to get my pattern. Okay, can use this point. Okay, you see, now we are getting this. All right, as you can see what the market is playing. Let me zoom it in. Okay, this guy is expected to have a bounce from here. So on the 4 hours chart, if it closes below the previous candlestick or below this resistance level, which means it has played to what we expect. Okay, we break out of the support level, go back to retest it, and the proper dump begins. So this is how you can, quickly do the daily scalping. Now let me show us one easy way to make money, or how to get $50 from this trade. You go to calculation, and we are going to be shorting this particular assets from from a retraced point. Let's say when it gets back to here, let me take it off. When it gets back to here, which is 2.34 USDT, and this is the next. We have a level here. Now this is our first take profit. This take profit is $2.01, and we are to enter this trade. If not immediately after the breakout, it should be at this point 2.35. Now when we calculate a short 15x, you might want to use 15x or 20x depending on how much risk you're ready to take. Entry points will be 2.35, and then exit points would be 2.0, let's say 0.5. Now the quantity we are going to be using for this trade, let's say 1,000. Okay, 1,000 pieces of this token, and calculate. Our initial margin is going to be $50. So you are going to be risking $50 if you are using an isolation, but if you use cross, it is still not bad. Okay, remember you are scalping. You're going to make 127 USDT, and this is 255%. Now when you repeat this process again and again every day, let's say it goes according to plan, you can enter this trade, but always make sure you confirm using the volume, using your supports, breakout, your resistance, check out for your MACD lines and the rest of them. So this is the render token. I use this as an example. If you want to reduce your scalping scale, you can set a first target at this point. Okay, this is also good for you it is also not bad if you take profit at this point. Okay, and here would be 2.19. okay, meanwhile we short from 3.5 when it closes below this line, below this support level, and it comes breaking out of the zone. 2.35 is where I said we should do the entry from. Now if we do 2.35, we enter at that point, sorry, 2.35, and we exit at 2.19 using same 1000, which would give us $50 as our initial margin. You are going to make $68, and this is more than 40,000 in naira. Okay, 136% in a very short period of time. Let me show us why I feel this is actually going to happen in a very short period of time. This movement from here, okay, to this place is within the same day. You can see here to 5 a.m. and by the time we got to this place, it was the same day, 5 a.m. and this is 21 is I think 9 p.m. okay, so it is still within the same day. So this morning we were here, okay, which is 5 a.m. this morning. 5 a.m. yesterday was at this peak. This morning 5 a.m. here, and there is every possibility that before the day runs out we would fall down, you know, to hit this support level or even this one. That is one way to, you know, get a quick scalp from the markets. You check out for the coins that are doing well on CoinMarketCap, and then you come check them out and see if there is any opportunity for you to sell them off, or you can do it the other way around, which means you scroll down to the top losers for 7 days. You can see that Cake has been doing really bad for the past 7 days, and this is 20% down. All right, now just like we did for the render token, you go to your Binance or whichever exchange you want to trade on. Check out for Cake. Okay, Cake is not trading futures here, so the best place for you to buy Cake is on spot. So you would have to go to spot and search for Cake. So this is Cake USDT, and you can see, well, I made this analysis last time, but we didn't break out of it, so it's out. Okay, now this is for 1 day. Well, I would prefer you use the 4 hours. I always prefer to use the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, this is the lowest low for this trend so far, and you know we are retracing. So I will say from here, okay, this is a perfect retracement, you know. So if you want to buy this and hold in spots, you can buy immediately after we break out of here. Sorry, let me change this color to white. Yeah, so immediately we break out of here, you can buy it, which would be at $2.8 and expect the price to hit 3.3. Well, the amount of money you will make buying spots is not exactly the same with what you make in futures trading, and this is why this might be more profiting for the futures traders. But we have the same strategy, you know. You can see this Jlj token is the next to PancakeSwap, you know, on the losers for 7 days, and it has gone 12% down. Let's go check it out on Binance. Jlj is on futures, so I'm just going to check futures now and search for Jlj. Okay, here it is. Then we'll try to get some analysis for it. Okay, it has been coming down for 7 days, and we want to see what is going to happen next. Okay, we had this, you know, I think there was a double bottom here, you know, and a double top, then we fell off here, or I think here first, you know, you see what's happening. Okay, so I think this will be the first stop. This guy here will be the first stop, so mark this one. Why am I having whites for this place now? Okay, this is going to be a very quick scalping. Yeah, it's supposed to be here. Now this was one top, we had another top here, and we had one bottom, another bottom, you know, which led to this bullish movement, and there was a retracement all the way back to this point. Okay, now if you want to quickly scalp these markets, what you do is we would enter this trade. Remember, you can always use the lower time frame to get your entry. Yeah, so this is our descending angular pattern, which has been broken. You can see that it has been broken, and now that it is broken, let me show us what happened here. Okay, so this is it. So we've been trading within this circle, okay, this triangular frame, and it is broken. If the 4 hours candlestick closes above the 0.0028, it means we are bullish on Jlj, and it will be very nice if you enter this trade at this point. Now, when you enter the trade at 0.0029 and say you sell at this first target, which is 0.0031, okay, let's go. We shorten, let's use 20x of 0.00 what's it called, 29, and we are longing this, we're buying, so it's going up. So we are exiting at 0.0031. Okay, then the amounts, we would still use 1000 as the quantity. Well, it might be low because this token is cheap, but okay. So we are using 1000, okay, which the initial margin would be $50. This is what you are paying for the risk. Now the PNL is going to be $68.9, you know, so you're going to be making $68.9 from this Swift trade, and you know it is all within 24 hours. Okay, this is 137%. Like I said, if you master this scalping strategy, you can do this every day and make $50 to $100 for yourself. Okay, it is as simple as that, and I believe you are taking notes of the market analysis. All right, subscribe to my channel, of course, if you have not, because this is where you can get free signals. I drop signals every day, you know, tell you what to buy, what to sell, and we'll be making a lot of money in this space. Thank you very much. If this video was helpful, which I believe it is, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and you can share with as many as you want to help with this information. I'll also drop in the description box my Telegram channel. It is a free channel. You can join and make money with us. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Peace.